Hello guys, welcome to another time with JJTech. Today we'll be talking on a brief but very interesting should I say subject or topic. I've been asked a lot, how do I generate my coins? How do I generate the coins I flash for people? Especially when it comes to the higher ones, like the higher ones, let's say BTC, let's say USDT, trc20 and other network here, other very important networks. I'm here to show the software, or rather the platform that is used to beep this. Now you should know one thing: these coins, when you search for coins, search for the coins with value or coins. You search for the coins with value, the ones they are the ones without value, the ones that will just show on the balance, and under where the dollar sign is showing 00. Your ones that will show the value of the coin, the amount of the coin. I will show the amount, the worth of the coin you have. For instance, you have 0. something BTC. It shows that part. Then it also shows that the 0.100 BTC is equals to, let's say, $100,000. It also shows that part. Now there's some coins that only show the amount of the coin, don't show the worth. My point is, the higher these coins, the more expensive they are. So if you are looking for instance, BTC without, you are looking for BTC and you are looking for a cheap BTC to flash, you see things like that, but you don't see the BTC flash for cheap. This is one thing I've been trying to explain, and it has made me explain a lot. So today I just bring you to the platform where I flash, so you can get it directly from there. There are other kind of flashing when it comes to BTC. When it comes to cryptocurrency, there are the flashes that you need the receiver to do a kind of settings on their wallet, let's say contract settings and so on and so forth. There are some of this flashing, or let's say flashing here. There's some of this flashing that are very popular, but it is not as strict, because most times you need the person you're trying to convince you need the person to do a setup, or the person you're trying to prank. You need the person to do a setup. So why do you need to do a setup if the coin is real? Now these coins here are direct. You don't need anybody to do any settings. You just send as if you are sending out of your wallet, normal way. I might not be able to explain all these coins, because I've not been able to explore all of them truly, but let's say upcoming videos I will explain more. But for now, I think I've been able to explore this first option. This is the name of the coin, Bitcoin BR on Coinbase. I've been able to work with this seller on Meta and Trust Wallet. Now I will put the link to my previous video I made. Some people say they didn't understand most of the things I said. Maybe when you see the platform now, you'll be able to understand what everything I did there. So you can see this coin in the video. You can't see this coin in the video. You can see coins like this in the video: USDC, DAI. You can see BTC Phantom. You can see that's for this package. There's the DAI, the ETH, USDT Phantom, the YFI, the USDC, a lot of coins. This one's the words are showing, like OX network, the words are showing actually. It is a proper coin. You transfer it just straight up out of your account. Now these are the very expensive ones. Like I said, the Flash USDT and the Flash Bitcoin. They are very expensive. But the good thing about it is you have access to like the software or the process that it is created from. So that means you can create more and more as you like. So this is I've been able to get this. This is the process. That's when you see unlimited access to coin. That's you're able to get the process where it is done. So let's for instance click buy. So you click on buy. the wallet type you are trying to flash is Bitcoin. Now you put your wallet, your Bitcoin, for instance, Bitcoin address you're trying to get, you put the wallet there. This is the amount of the coin. Then you click on proceed to buy. Okay, let's see, we put a random, let's say proceed to buy. So you see, make payments, send proof of payment to this, send proof of payment, the reference number and everything, upload the receipt. Now they have a Telegram support system. Yeah, they have a Telegram support system. They do have a Telegram support system. So you can check on this. This is my own account. This is my dashboard right now. It is not the dashboard where you upload, like you make payments and your, for instance, you add funds and your funds is just there. No, you don't just add funds here. You just go straight to the point, buy what you have to buy. Your emails, this email has to be correct, please. They send really good materials on how to use the coins. Not really how to use the coins, they're explaining the coins to you so that you understand what you're doing with the coins. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like and share. This is a very important disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purpose. Thank you very much.